I gave you my heart.
Hey guys, so this is kind of random, but I just wanted to show you guys this in case something like the power goes out in your house and your flashlights are out of battery. So I just wanted to review this. This is a flashlight. There is 2 ways to charge it. It does not use batteries. Not sponsored, by the way. So this is what it looks like. It has a crank, and it has the solar panel. So these are the ways that it works. So we have one medium, and the second one is a little brighter, and the third one is flash. Okay, so this is only one of the ones that I have. I have 2 more. This is the second one that I have. It is made by Dynamo, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. This one also has a solar panel and the crank. Also, there's only one mode, and it's just that. It's a switch on and off. On and off. And what I kind of like about this flashlight is that if you turn it on, you can kind of see it shine right there. So this is the second one. It's like big enough to fit on a keychain. I got these both from Amazon, and this is a 2-pack. You can get it in this color, this green, or a yellow. And this was the only color for that. This one is bigger in size than this one. That is the review for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to my channel. Oh, jeez. That was a little random. But yeah, back to, so bye guys.
Given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be